So hopefully I am live. Let me actually switch on my D&D there, and yeah, I think I should be live. Uh, let's give YouTube some time to process that. Excellent, I guess. So yeah, hopefully I am live, and oh, yep, the notification is working fine. So that means I can proceed. So, uh, today is going to be a rather chill stream. I don't have anything planned. So, yeah, I think we can just relax. And I've actually recently started learning some advanced Neovim of sorts. I do know I use, I mean, you might have seen on streams that I use Neovim a lot. But the thing is, for my keyboard layout, I use Neovim with the arrow keys and as opposed to the HJKL keys. And I know that'll make a lot of film enthusiasts mad, but that's just how I feel comfortable with. But I am trying to change that because when I started using HJKL, even when I'm learning, even when I'm not fast, my hands are incredibly natural and they move quite naturally. So, yeah, we'll be trying that out today while actually doing some personal stuff. Like maybe we go head on to YT and near HDDG, the HDMX thing that I was planning. Maybe we can do that. Or we can also go into ENVN, see if we can add some features. So ENVN is an environment manager I've been working on for quite some time. It basically, I think I have it installed. So, okay, so first things first, since I'm on stream, I will have to delete the whole database because I do not want my stream, this thing to get leaked. So if I do that, you can see quickly write env efficiently. It's just a simple listing, and I know this option is not secure at all, but I also added an option to pass in the password. So if I go envn, it asks me to enter the password. I enter it. I'm greeted with a TUI, and if you have seen my streams, you know that when it comes to terminal interfaces, I like a blend of Unix like utility and a TUI, so I have the option to choose. So let's say I want to set the name, and actually, I think rather than the name, it'll be better if I call it something more recognizable. And, where might I find that? Let's give it some time. Yeah. Now that the trace editor is active, uh, is that in main? Uh, because this is where I think I do that. Uh, yeah, handle command is where I do it. And near the set command, secret key. I guess that's a better name than uh, like something else. Like because name is confusing. I can probably call the identifier the name, but how about we not use the name anywhere, right? How about we just go secret key, enter the key. Actually, uh, enter the key and just enter the value. Yeah, how easy is that? Right. This will actually look a lot simpler. So if I go cargo run, dash dash help the premium secret manager. Yep. So I've set the password to be noob science for the stream temporarily. If I want to reset the password, I'm actually working on that. Where the only way to reset the password right now will be to go cargo run or envn in this case. Actually, you can just go rmrf.envn, remove the auth. If it doesn't find the auth, then you can just go cargo run dash dash. Go there, it says no password file found, you want to create one. And it asks you to enter its password. This is not shown. I want to change that actually. But yeah, it again asks you to prompt in the password. That is done. Okay. Yeah, I think this is weird. So how about if the password is not found, right? If the password is not found, how about we just, you know, exit out? Okay, so this is where I set the password. Let's go to source, go down there. Huh. I do some sort of a shenanigan here to get that. Just don't remember what. Mm, no, no, no. Uh, where do we go? Check password is here with display mode. Yeah, this is the line I want. So now I guess all I have to do is go to the file.rs file and paste it in there. Yes, now that should work. Okay, I crypt it, write the file, and we can just print out a simple message here. Uh, okay, we obviously need to do that. I know this is premature, but like, wrote the wrote the password to wrote the password to file. Sorry, how about password set re restart the program to use the password. Perfect. So we go. Oh, the password file is set. So let me delete the password file again. Let's cargo run. No password file found. You want to create it? Yes. Okay, I enter in the password. I ask the confirmation. Password set. Restart the program to use the password. And it has to quit there, shouldn't it? Oh, right. So I guess to do that, I will have to go do that manually. Um, okay, weird. I don't really need to use that. Yeah, so like even that, I don't need to use that. There you go. Right, so yeah, I don't need to use that as well. Mm, perfect. Mm-hmm. Okay, so some changes there. We can select a command. As it types, it goes. So I'm using a crate called enquire. That is the thing that handles all of it. But yeah, actually, within the accepted one, let's actually add reset. So I give the user the option to reset everything, which is valid. And let's actually change these weird names. Like, what is get set? It's add and append. Yeah, I guess those are a better allegory. Mm, we don't want that. We want, what do I say? Add. I guess this looks good now. And what about the help command though? Yeah, yes. I I think I can get away with naming the set command. Set command to the get. Oh, that's not how you do it. How do you do it? You do that, I guess. Is that how you do it? Not found. Okay. Uh, no, no, no. What does this is for search? Yeah, search. Set command. Replace that with the add command. And I want to do that globally. Why didn't that get set? Shouldn't that's okay. I mean, shouldn't technically speaking, that should you know what? That's fine. Mm, wait a minute. Let's check update status and yeah, we did change some files, so that's okay. This from file, however, is quite interesting. Okay. Uh, I mean, yeah, there's small stuff here and there that needs some oversight, but other than that, it works really well. So, okay, I go back run. It asks me my password. I enter that. Excellent. So, first, I go to add. Let's add my MongoDB URL. And that can be something like Mongo SCR dash dash localhost 550 something. Identifier is Mongo. Secret is saved. So now if I do a cargo run get Mongo and I enter in the password because that's important, I get the MongoDB URL. Oh, actually, it'll be even interesting since I don't want to enter in the password every time. I can give the user an option to set a special piece. Right, let's go into readme.md. Actually, no readme.md stuff. I would rather, okay. So, let's check that the user has entered the correct password. Cool, cool. That's, oh, oh, I guess that'll be easier, actually. Start password. Okay, so that, I guess that takes in an option. Yeah, that takes in an option. There was, oops, I exited name by chance. Uh, anyways, so, uh, right, so that takes in an option. Obviously, there's no other choice there. But okay, I think I should do all of the stuff in the get password itself. So how about we have a new one here? It just needs to be private. Check env for password. I'm sorry. Uh, mm, Actually, let me phrase that better. I'm sure that's really confusing. Uh, that's easy in name. Okay. So get password from env. That returns the string. Right. Uh, 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 thank you. This thing, I guess. And yeah, I do not need to do any of that basically. Oh, that's not how I do it. Yeah, that's how you do it. Implicitly returns an oh, it's on that way. And yeah, I think this looks cool. So if there is some password, we match it with the password. If there's none, cool. However, this supersedes all of that, does it? I mean, it probably shouldn't. It shouldn't, because if the user is passing in the password explicitly, I do not want to change any of its. I do not want to change anything of that, right? So maybe we can have like this thing here. Like we can have curly brace there and curly brace there, right? And here we can say, oh, oh, what happens then? What does that return? Okay, so that returns a result, which is sort of perfect for us, right? Because we can just check if the var error. Yeah, this is sort of perfect for us. I think that's how you return a result. Mm, by default returns it. That's cool. Right. So if it is none, oh, there you go. That's how we do it. Oh, okay. So you match the get password from the env. If it's okay, the password is password. If the error is of std os, is that where we get it from, or where do we get it from? Env. Okay. Env var error. In case that happens, it's not really an error, so we don't need to treat it as such. We can just um, directly paste. Oh, oops. Uh, how do I paste to the new line? Oh, I just do that. Okay, that's cool. Oh, did I just close that? Utils. There you go. Okay. So, X. What did you expect here? Oh, I'm sorry. Why do I keep closing it? I don't know. Okay, so what's your problem? Mm, expected unit struck, but found the enumeration. Okay, dot error. Let's just catch everything. Cool. Me and password is the one I need to set, right? Mm, actually, I think I need to set up logging for this, but yes, that's okay. I don't need to worry about that right now. Let's see if it works. So, um, I always forget how to set the env for fish. So, alright, you go set dash set path is something. Okay, so I go set uh, envn password is equal to no science. Oh, there you go. So now if I run cargo run, that doesn't let me skip that. Um, weird. I mean, you should allow me to sort of do that, or else there's no point. Wait. Uh, oops. Um, there you go. The unwrap will fail. Filled with password. How about that? Hmm, fail to get password not present. Uh-huh. I mean, I really do want all of that. Science. Uh, yeah, I mean, here you go. We have set the environment, but it's still not able to get it. Set environment password. How about we do that? Right. Oh, oops. Right. So how do we do a comment in this? Oh, there you go. Right. M M sense. Right. So I go envn password. There's no sense. Set dash x. I guess X means append, if I'm not wrong. I mean, set dash dash mm, append. Oops. Uh, okay. Okay, so then what is dash X? What is dash X? Is dash X used to append? Mm. Oh, it is set dash d dash x. Then x should mean something, shouldn't it? I mean, it's probably okay. Uh, that means it's small. That's awesome. Mm. Oh, there you go. So, if I go down, remove that part, oops, restart fish, and say set envn password dash x, and run cargo run, that happens. Okay, so I just had to use x. That's cool. So, I was able to do that. Now, I can say show. The show showing what? Showing secret? I mean, I guess all command, I guess that's what there you go. Wait, that's what I needed. All command. The show. I love that. So in the display env, showing secret. Yeah, we don't want that, do we? I mean, to be honest, it does look weird. How about instead of that, we can have something that actually looks good, like good. Uh, I mean, yeah, we can have some there, right? We can probably have some there. Huh? Looks good. Yeah, let's actually see if it will look good. So, cargo run, add. What do we need to add? We will be adding uh, analytics. Right. So the key will be, I guess this is how it looks. Uh, oh, but I specified something after the command. Doesn't that count for something? Am I not considering that in the add command? Uh, all right, that does not get passed in at all. Okay, so how about we say name is a optional string, right? And the name is as simple as a match at this point. So I can go like match name, right? If there is some name, then it is the name, or none if it's a none, right? I will just what do we yank them, or that's how we do it, and paste it. And oops, wrong place. There you go. Oops. You format that. Syntax error. Oh yeah, you okay. There you go. Format that up. That looks pretty. Uh, there you go. So yeah, the function is defined there, and it's not giving you correct. I know. Boo-hoo. How about that? That looks perfect. Uh, yeah, let's try it out now. If I add analytics, okay, so the key. Hmm. How about we? We don't want this to work everywhere. Mm, actually, I guess thinking more about the DX, I guess the name being first is actually better, right? Oops. So I can go burn, println. Mm, I can say name is set. Perfect. So the user gets some assurance that okay, this guy knows what he means. Why is my green blue? Let's change the theme. What was that? Monokai that I was using? Yeah, this is what I was using. I guess this looks okayish. Why is the green so weird everywhere? Mm, yeah, turns out, wait, does green even work properly? That's a weird color scheme to begin with. Yeah, weird color scheme. I hope some people know the reference. That's weird as well. Uh, I guess it's been many days that I've not coded in one dark. Yeah, one dark has always sort of been close to my heart. So, and yeah, let's actually do that. So, color scheme, one dark. Not vivid, just one dark, the classic one. That looks so cool. It almost feels nostalgic. Mm, the current hit rate is slower than we recommend. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, someone popped in. Hi. So, oops. Mm, I'm sure OBS will handle it. I'm proud of you, OBS. Please don't crash on me like you did last time. Uh, okay, so reset. We go reset command with the name. Oh, you found a similar one. Unfortunately, that's not the right one. Close the whole thing. Really? Is that what it is? No, that's not what it is. I think that's commands on this. There you go. Right. Yeah. Actually, let's just for now define a function, right? Which is reset command with the name the command as a optional string, which this is an option of string, right? Mm, oops, it is the name. Name? Are we sure it's a name? I mean, I would rather call it like a command or something. Yeah, just do that. Um, uh, there you go. I guess now we can. So, do I? Oops, Do I actually have a .env? No, I do not have a .env. So, but actually, I don't know why I've been doing this a long time ago. So I can have an alias of LA, which is exe icon session. Up, refresh that. And there you go. That's much simpler. Huh. Right, so I do not have that. Let's cargo run help and see what that brings out. Okay, so get, set, add, load, show. There are a lot more, but those are not listed for some reason. Get, append, from, show, load, edit, delete, reset. Okay, so load. This will overwrite any existing file with the same name. Pressing enter will take you into ad mode. Just press quit to exit ad mode. Mongo.env. And let me actually get the .env. Oh, so I probably don't want to ask the file name, or maybe I do want to ask the file name, but I just want to show the default. Mm, not file to insert in DB. What even is this? Oh, that's from file. No, no, no. We are more looking for a load from. No? Or did I say that? What did I call it? Rather, file CMD. You know what? I've used really confusing names. Okay, so where is file command? Okay, so here's the D. We go file. We go. Uh, we go file command. File command. Replace that with what did I call it? Load command. Oh, it didn't actually go through with it. Load command. Now that hopefully now you go. Oh, there are errors. See next is what you do, I guess. No errors, but you just showed me an error. Dude, I really have to search. I have to come up with some this thing that lets me function. Let's be on the point. Okay, so there you go. Oh, that's it. So I haven't really edited it that much, but I think they should provide an up. Yeah, I forgot to do the main thing. Let's go to load command. Where is that? There you go. Okay, here. Yeah, yeah, enter add mode, enter add mode. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I get all the names, collect them, iterate them, push them, show them. Cool, cool, cool. But right around here, think of here. I can just say, oops, I can just say with default, and that can be .env. Perfect. Yes, that should look good. So now if I remove the .env file, say cargo run, uh, cargo run. How about we do this? So we do no, no, we do cargo run, and then we do how do we do it? What they call it load. There you go. So yeah, this will take me to add more Mongo Airbnb saved. Oops. Uh, get Mongo. Actually, show is a very bad this thing. Uh, Actually, I think I recently came across uh this thing, Rust crate that it promised to make the whole table experience in Rust better. So I think that would be a very good option. You know, I guess this can be add show load all from get. I mean, no, get deserves a place here. Yeah, so now this looks good. Now if I go cargo run get Mongo, it works for sure. Cargo run oops, cargo run show Mongo. This, so, I mean, this is sort of again weird because you don't exactly want to show your thing. Let's actually see what's the status. I think I've modified too many files. No, I just right. Actually, let me go ahead and add some more. Like I want to add analytics. Enter the key of ID or whatever it's called. So I guess that's GA51. It looks something like that. I think I don't remember my ENVs that well. That's the reason I made this in the first place. Wait a minute. Who remembers ENVs? Oh, after all, I do want a command that reminds me actually. After that, yeah, I do want the name because I know that's an extra argument. I'm not dumb. So yeah, is that how I do it? Uh, ENBN all, ENBN all, clear, mode, which is an option string. Right. Mm, and like in a display ENB, that would cause a problem. I would probably not want to do that because how about by default the ENB thing which does not show anything? How would that seem? I mean, yeah, that sounds good on paper, but weird. Actually, I guess it's okay for now, right? I mean, if the user wants to see, he can basically show it to all. That's here. So I mean, mm, can tell be an option? Like uh, range, I guess. Yeah, yeah. Range is a better word. Oops. Nope, nope. Oh, that's one word. I'm not exactly sure how to do it. For ENVN in uh, does that even exist in Rust? Because I've never really. Ah, there you go. That does work. Oh, I just want me to be explicit in advance. That's the least I can do. Oh, oh, I didn't even know enumerate existed in Rust. That's really cool. Uh, I guess I can just go display EVN ENB. Then correct. Oh, okay. No, is that enough? No, you don't want that? I guess then 2 is the right one. Oh, even 2 doesn't fix it. Dot. Let's see. Mm, and yeah, 2 should fix the problem. But I mean, if this breaks, a lot of stuff breaks. I probably should not change display and EVN in good faith. And wait a minute. How was this before, anyways? Does that provide me a gift option? There you go. I guess this is what I needed. There you go. Utils. That's it. Display E and V. We're gonna define it. There you go. Okay, so I implement debug, but let me also implement clone. What say? And you were. Oh, okay. So just recommending me that. Thanks. Right. So now, hopefully, if I do cargo run, um, oh, that works very randomly because what we are essentially doing is range is not equal to zero, and if it is equal to zero, we don't really care. And if I as u8 is equal to range, then break. Right. That's good. So I just want one. There you go. That works. Perfect. Also, I have to test one more thing. So if we get that, that's cool. But let's try it on easy mode first. Uh, let's delete Mongo. Secret deleted. Awesome. Well, isn't that? I mean, isn't that weird? Like how easy that is to sort of delete. I mean, it's an you want to be a little careful, don't you? Like, I mean, uh, let confirmation is that, and then do that match confirmation. If it's true, that's not how you do it. How do you do it then? Pilot, please advise the staff. Okay, so that's what. Okay, and yes, I also need to do that. Right. If it's not red, right? Perfect. So secret not found. Cool. Now if I say cargo run from .env, oh, loaded one secrets to memory. Awesome. So now if I say cargo run dash dash show mongo, you get a secret not found. Oh, uh, MongoDB. Uh, it'll be better if I sort of give it an ID. Don't you think, madam? Why am I making this so messy? I have no idea. Hmm. Yeah, I think I'll probably get away with that. You can say something like with that bro, but not this show. So this thing, like in here where it says loaded one sequence to memory, I can probably say loaded so and so into memory, right? And that can be like the final message. That looks good actually. Secret. Probably I can have like a new line in the middle and look even better. I mean, this project deserves love. I mean, I seriously use this, you know. Uh, Come to think about it, I probably should not have deleted the database at the beginning, but this has happened on multiple streams already. I've exposed a lot of credentials that I've had to go and manually change. So I just prefer to delete that instead. Right. So coming back, uh, I guess agenda one, there you go. Done. Perfect. Next, loading thingy. Uh, load command, insert, add mode. Oh, no, no. I need to use the from command. What is load? Why am I using bunch of those hard names? It's safe. Isn't that so much better? Uh, do I need to be down for this? Like, what's happening there? Okay, so that's how you do it. Replace load command to save command throughout the file. Load command. Why isn't it happening? I have no idea. Hmm. Oh, where's the other error? Might be some weird place. There we go. Perfect. Now we need to edit that in main as well. What the hell is load? Oh, save. And now instead of from, this can be load because you're loading from the env, right? Makes sense. Oh yeah, this has become a long ass file. You know what? For now, the from file. Okay, fine. At this point, it's okay. Hmm. Yeah, I guess this should work. Mm, there you go. So now if I do an LA, cat.env, oh, there you go. We have them both. But this is actually a good test. What will happen if I do that? Loaded two secrets to memory. Secret already exists. Use edit instead. Hmm. Power on dash dash all. Right. The one with analytics did not exist. So okay, I mean, yeah, it makes sense. Just checking the name of the secret rather than the full secret. Hmm. So yeah, I guess this is a pretty good comment. Uh, so may actually help display help. There you go. Here, show us. Add add a secret to the file. Yeah. No, it just says add. Mm. Mm, all show all secrets. All range. Okay. There you go. Load. And then instead of that, we can show that. Oh my god, there's so many. Uh, Safe. These are the main ones, right? Save secret to a file. There you go. Mm, what is that? I guess that's not how you do it. Uh, okay. So. Show ad. Now let's say we can work on doing that stuff later. Sure. Mm, there you go. Okay. That looks good. Right. So get status. Let's see what all changes we did. Okay. Done same like March. Let's go to our terminal. This is the 0.2 version of it. The perfect. Its status that. Git add. Git commit. What is that? I guess you can just say bump in this point, but that's okay. We can do something like git commit dash m. Um, what? Actually, let's run cargo run once more, because you never know, and check the git status. Exactly, the cargo towel changes and it does a whole fuss. So, okay. Git commit. Mm, uh, general improvements. Because that's the best commit message I could think of. I guess I can just run cargo publish now. There you go. So that publishes the whole of the project to crates.io, and hopefully there you go. So it's registered to crates.io, and so now if I run cargo install enbn, it has to download it. Obviously, so there is that installing. It has to compile a bunch of stuff. And this is a rather short compilation. 108 libraries and binaries is probably not a lot. Most of this is cryptography stuff, to be honest. Okay, so now that that's done, we can go to my home directory. Uh, Actually, let me actually show you the .env. This is where the program actually stores all of its config. So if you want to edit something, you can edit it from here. This is a database that is publicly accessible. So if you have something like DB browser or something, you can actually open that up and it'll read just fine. So if I do that, as you can see, it's analytics, publisher ID, Mongo ID, everything is plain. But this, on the other hand, is encrypted binary, right? So let's see if there is a way for me to, there you go. So I can copy that and I can go to binary decoders or something. Actually, I think I have text pieces installed. Yeah, I have text pieces installed. Uh, oh, can I even paste that in? I can't. Copy. I mean, mode is binary. How do I copy that? Uh, okay, I think I can just do that. Can I? Mm, And that's not how you do it, I guess. Online binary decoder as bytes or as text? No, no, no. Bytes, I guess. I have no idea how to actually show that. I guess this is all I can really do. Even though I have the power of Python, it's okay. I think doing things manually once in a while is not a crime. The Python gods won't punish you. But let's. That's a binary content, and yeah. What? Yeah. This is so weird. That's not a good one. Um, I guess yeah. This rapid tables one is I guess good. This hexadecimal input convert. I mean, that was fun. Let's actually do this now. Though. This is just a demo, and I do not know of a better way to do this. If anyone's watching the stream, I welcome you to tell me how to do this. I mean, I know how to do it in Rust. I can just in the display env, the struct that I was talking about earlier actually does the same thing. It basically decrypts it using noise and stuff, and there you go. That's all a bunch of rubbish text. That's it. And yeah, I mean, this is encrypted. That was a weird way to show you guys it was encrypted, but so there is auth, env, and there's key and nonce, which are all binary files. And the auth the auth just stores your password as an encrypted hash. I mean, initially I was storing it as a plain text file, and I was like, why am I doing this? So I just converted it into a hash. That's commit 2 of the repo. Key and nonce, actually, you can't really read the key, the program would, yeah, you can't. Although they are really small, these are mainly used by the encryption algorithm. So, I mean, let's see if I can actually showcase that. It'll be better if I showcase that on GitHub. Uh, so, right here, if you go to the encryption file, encryption.rs, let me zoom in a lot. Right. You see this? I'm using AES 256. Yeah, that needs a key and a nonce. Right. So to encrypt, I just create a new cipher using the key and using the nonce and the data, I just encrypt it. And the thing about AES is you need both the nonce and the key to decrypt it. So without the both being satisfied, there is no way. And the way I'm storing the key and nonce is not the most secure way. I'm storing them both at one single place, which is not good at all. But uh, I mean, it works for now. If anyone has any good idea, please let me know. I'm ready to sort of change that. And I should probably have changed the documentation before I committed it there. That's okay. We had some contributions from Hacktober as well. Okay, so first release was released for Linux, and this release too, I guess. So Go cargo build dash dash release. There you go. You can go to target, release. There you go. That's ENVN. CP ENV. Actually, I don't think I need to do that. Releases slash new. That's how I need to do it. Yeah. There you go. Choose a tag v.0.2. Excellent. Release title. Uh, the general release. Uh, includes a bunch of features. Check out the commands.rs for more info because I really don't have the patience to type it all up. So, hopefully, if I go to home, scroll all the way down to my projects, go to envn, target, release, envn. I think it sort of works like an app image. I'm not really sure. envn, Linux, envn version 2. Like, set as the latest release. Perfect. So we have a new ERN package, which is awesome. So that's it, I guess. Uh, we accomplished what we needed to. So it's been how long since I've been streaming? Oh, it's been like 1 hour. That's cool. So I guess this is it. This was actually little fun for me as well because I got to use Neovim using HJKL. If you notice properly, I guess you can rewind the stream. You'll see that I was struggling a bit with cursor navigation, so that's okay. I learn. But meanwhile, thanks for watching. Hope you had a fun time watching me code and struggle with Neovim cursors and enjoy Rust. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Goodbye. Let me end the stream right here.